Morning, everybody. Nice, beautiful day. Look at my sweet little baby girl. Riding that four-wheeler over here at the farm. They're out for summer. Just a beautiful day. Let me see what the date is. I don't even know what today's date is. Today is May the 24th. So I took a weekend off of doing editing, and to be honest with you, I'm starting to run out of stuff I got saved up. A few little things, but nothing much. We just gotta wait. It's just patience. See, it's down there. Just gotta let the plastic stay on it, keep watering it every day, let it build up as much strength as we can, and then we'll after our vacation we're going on, we should be about ready to put that building up. She is having a good time. My boy's out riding his bicycle somewhere. I don't know where he's at. They don't get around as fast as she does. And so today's project, we're gonna work on the Samurai. I drove it last week, hit a bump in the road, cut off. My dad said, "Oh yeah, you gotta jiggle them wires a little bit when that happens." I don't want to do that. So we're gonna figure out how to take care of this and get it back reliable, because I want to take it up to Tennessee with us on a vacation and drive it around and see what happens with it. So I'll get set up, do some recording on this, and we'll see what happens with it. Hope y'all enjoy it. Catch y'all in just a little bit. All right, so we're I'm wondering if it's just out of gas. I'm wondering if I just need to go put some gas in it and drive it. It's a beautiful sunny day. My dad's home. He can come get me if we need it. I got my phone with me. We're going to just go see how this thing does. I might stop, see if my boy wants to come with me, and we'll go from there. Uh-oh, sputtering just a little bit, just cold. Alright, I got the GoPro set up on the windshield. First time I've done that, I got it pointing backwards this time. It sure is shaking. Maybe it won't be too bad, but just trial and error, right? We'll catch y'all in just a little bit. I literally ran out of gas at the gas station. Pulled up to one pump. Look, they got these signs. The gas shortage, no gas cans. That's BS. But you can't use a debit card over on that side of the fuel islands over there. So I had to come over here. When I went to try to come over here, I ran out of gas. So luckily, this thing don't weigh nothing. Put it in neutral, pushed it right up here to the pump. We're gonna see how this goes now. Y'all watch and see. Let me show you. All right, so I was under here, added a little fluid to the transfer case. I bumped it. Uh-oh. See it? All right. Luckily, I got all kinds of parts, Samurai, so I simply went and got one off of the parts. So we're gonna change that, be good to go. Y'all enjoy. Dead batteries. Y'all know about that. All right, so I was looking at this, and I really do think that this is bent. In fact, I know it is. If I look up, it's not in line with that hole in this. So I'm gonna bend this down. Let's see how it works. It's not perfect, but it's tremendously better than it was. So let's get it back on. All right, let's see how this does. Look at it flexing. That's what we want. All right, so the transmission fluid looked good. I topped it off. The transfer case was good. It really didn't need topping off. The front chunk fluid looks good. It didn't need topping off. The rear end fluid looks like engine oil to me. It may not be. It's over full. It's really, really thin. So I'm not real sure what's going on. So I'm gonna buy some more fluid. I don't have enough. I don't think I got enough. Yeah, I don't have enough to do the rear end. So I'm gonna buy some of that tonight, and I'm going to change the rear end fluid tomorrow. Transfer case mount's done. Engine oil looks good. Transmission fluid, we're ready to go to Tennessee. Next thing I gotta do, we're gonna check lights, figure out if the lights are working and what I need to do. And put the back seat in, put the top on, we good to go. All right, well, should I add in the lights? That's boring. Y'all know about lights. We're just gonna check to see if they work, see if I need a fuse, see what I need to do. I might just need a blinker to make the blinkers work. I don't, oh, I mean, not a blinker, a flasher to make the blinkers work. So whatever I need, I'll just get it going. All right, let's talk about making do with stuff. So what I got here is a pump that's not made for, I don't know what it's made for. It don't screw on the quart one or nothing. But this thing goes in here, and I can hold it and pump this stuff until it gets to it. I mean, it makes it a whole lot easier on this pump, putting this fluid in. So if y'all want to watch, that's fine. It's not easy, but it's a lot easier than trying to figure out a way to get out of this gallon jug in here. We're squeezing out that quart and it's flying out. Going in good. That's it. We got the fluid done, fuel line fixed. We're going to set it down, go for another ride, make sure the fuel's not leaking. We good to go. Appreciate y'all watching. Subscribe, comment, like. I would appreciate all of it. Remember, you can build it, don't buy it. You ain't got to buy all new stuff. Make do with what you got. Save stuff like pumps and just little special stuff like that, because it will come in useful one day. Save that money. Y'all have a great day. All right, a successful ride. That is, other than running out of gas at the gas station, but that's the best place to run out. I didn't have to push it far. Everything's great. Sure do appreciate it. Hope y'all enjoyed it. We fixed the cutting off problem. It was out of gas. All right, anyways, hope y'all enjoy it. Build it, don't buy it. Buy used, save that money. Even though these Samurais are expensive, every now and then you're gonna find a good deal like I did on this one. It's just hard to find one rust free. Very hard. Y'all have a great day.